This is the tutorial video for the Mike HODL Risk to Reward Calculator. Here at the top is the toggle section where you can toggle between shares and options. For this video, we will be working with shares. Just below this toggle section is a link for the tutorial video for the Risk to Reward Calculator. The Risk to Reward Calculator evaluates potential trade outcomes based on risk to reward ratios. To use this calculator, you will need to determine the position type, long position or short position. We'll use a long position for this example. You have three entry fields: number of shares, average share price, and your stop-loss price. Here, we'll just put in some values for an example. 15 shares. The average share price will be $17.85. And for the stop-loss, we'll say $13 a share. Now, this section allows you to select the risk-to-reward ratio that you want to calculate. You click this drop-down menu and see options for a 1-to-1 ratio, 1-to-1.5, 1-to-2, 1-to-2.5, and 1-to-3. For this video, we'll select a 1-to-2 ratio and hit Calculate. The calculator now shows the potential loss and potential profit. With a 1-to-2 risk-to-reward ratio, you could potentially lose $72.75 or make $145.50 profit on this trade. The trade breakdown for this long position shows the following. The risk per share is $4.85. The reward per share would be $9.70. The target price to achieve this profit would be $27.55 per share. That's where you would need to put your take-profit order. Below that, you will find more trade details, including the position type, average share price, stop-loss price, risk-to-reward ratio, and the number of shares. At the bottom of the page, you can find more information about this calculator, an example scenario, and the value this tool adds to your trading strategy. Take the time to read over these to get more familiar with this calculator. And don't forget, you can always hit the reset button to clear everything and start over. That sums up how to use the Mike HODL Risk to Reward Ratio Calculator.